Hello, ladies, gentlemen, and everything in between. Here at Zulily, we love to celebrate the dawn of a new decade by a roaring 20's party. My name is Jacob, and considering it is the 20's again, we're going to celebrate the rich history of these United States with some salty, sweet, and most importantly, simple treats. These are some sweets that are as easy as 1, 2, 3. Number 1, melt your favorite chocolate morsels. Number 2, lather your pretzels. Don't be shy now. Number 3, top with a little pizzazz. Some sprinkles will do. A crowd pleaser you can make in a snap. With snacks so savory, your guests are going to be needing a little extra pop. Set off the second biggest flourish of the evening with this festive champagne tower. Now that you've satisfied your taste buds and quenched your thirst, end the night in style with this fabulously flashy backdrop. Oh, it seems my guests have arrived. Thank you, Zulily. Celebrate responsibly. And remember, have a happy new year, because you only live the 20's once.